Just a reminder, the Epstein Island was probably so fun to the point they had Elon Musk begging, begging to go there. If you don't know who Elon Musk is, owner of Twitter, is he a trillionaire? He's almost a trillionaire. Almost a trillionaire. Begging. He'd probably go on all fours to be let on that shit. And he was begging to go there. Yeah, good game. And the funny part about this whole thing is he literally yo, wanna know the funny part? They declined his ass. They were like, oh, you're way too obsessed with this shit. And he called it Epic Island. I mean, it is kind of legendary. Okay, I'm not one of them. Trust me.